Alright, welcome back folks for more CSS. We're going to continue looking at things that you can do with fonts. So let me just kind of continue working with this example here with the paragraphs just so we can have something to look at. When you're working with CSS, it's very easy to come in and change the different fonts. So for example, right now, if I put in font dash family, I can go ahead and choose a different font to choose from. So I can make it from Times New Roman here, for example. I can apply that in there. You can see it'll change it. There's a whole bunch of different ones you can do in there. Maybe I want specifically just Times New Roman. I can just, of course, just put in here Times New Roman. And it'll take that value in there. Or, you can, of course, replace this in here. Maybe I want to put, let's say, Arial. And it'll change the text that way. All right, so you have these different font families that you can choose from in order to put text in there. But let's just say I want to come in here. I'll just change this here to something else that's a little bit more web friendly. How about Verdana? All right, and I want to control the size of the text. And we already saw a couple other things with looking at things like looking at things like some text transformation and stuff like that. But now let's actually control the size. And of course that's done using font dash size. Right? And you can use font size to set a specific value for the text, and you usually do that in pixels. And we can do that using, for example, if I choose to do 40 pixels, you can see that it makes the text really large. Or maybe I want to do something a little bit more moderate. Maybe I only want like size 14 pixel. And you can see that it'll scale that down. So you have a lot of control over the size of those. All right. Now, one thing you do want to note as a word of caution, you never want to try and set a heading to look like paragraph text or vice versa. Always reserve using H1, H2, and so on for your headings, and then, of course, the P tag for paragraphs. And that concludes this lesson, folks. Until next time.